talked about is that the European Union has made new standards that actually disallow for 1,100 ingredients. And in the US, we only have 10 of those ingredients that we say we won't allow. And to me, I mean, I believe in the American public. I just don't believe that we are getting the information out there. So a lot of people don't even know what the EU is. And they go, what's the EU? They have set a standard out of Brussels that is, it's multi-country, and it's a commitment that they will not allow those products to be in anything being made. And so what's happening is the larger companies like Unilever, who makes Dove, L'Oreal, they are making a different kind of product for the EU than they are for us. Even in China, and we all go, oh, well, the bad stuff all comes from China. Even China is creating a new level of what they will consume and what they will not consume. And Brazil and Mexico, but we're going, it's just fine. Part of it, again, is the marketing. So we see people like L'Oreal, the big companies, Dove, giving a large percentage, quote unquote, or it's really quite a small percentage, to research on finding the cure for cancer and disease. In Europe, the reason that they move so quickly on all of this with their new standards is because of their health system, because their health system covers everyone. They went, wait a minute, people are getting sick. Let's not find the cure, let's find the cause. And so that is really more of my message, is that instead of waiting till we are sick, instead of waiting to find a cure, let's be proactive and actually start to make a difference by what we're using beforehand and committing to that rather than allowing it to get to the point that you're not feeling well. Dryer sheets are another big offender. I can walk through neighborhoods and smell dryer sheets, and again, it's the combination of the soap suds that are left in the clothes, and then they're dried into the clothes with the dryer sheet. And that smell just permeates through. And again, it's one of those things that you literally, when you're not using those, you can start to smell it on other people and just go, oh, if they only knew. So I really believe that we can make a difference if we commit to changing just one product at a time. There's lots of great information out there. The Campaign for Safe Cosmetics has a website, and it's safecosmetics.org, and it lists all the companies that have agreed in the US to sign on and not use the products that would be carcinogenic or poisonous. And in our salon, we actually carry one of those lines. It's called Loma. I have samples for everyone tonight to use or to take with them tonight. These are some suds that I brought today, and my point here is these are all products that you might have even sold in the salon that you visit. This is actually Bumble and Bumble. This is Dove. You wouldn't see that in a salon, but this is TG. You'd see that sold in a salon. This is Herbal Essence, and I love its latest packaging is Tingling Deep Cleaning Shampoo, cotton leaf, cleaning so deep it makes you tingly all over. You know, so it's interesting, the words that make you think, oh, well, maybe this is great. This one is Big Sexy Hair, Big Volume Shampoo, and you might find this in a salon. Again, all of them have the same things on this side, the sodium lauryl, sodium laureth. This one in particular I thought was interesting, the baby shampoo. And again, you know, so many people are new mothers, they have new babies, and they don't know what to do, and they think, well, my mom used this, so let's use it. This has got PEG 80. It's got sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth. It's got sodium chloride, and sodium chloride is salt. And you'll find that in a lot of these shampoos as well. So you see sodium chloride, think, oh, sodium, that's not so bad. Sodium chloride, salt. So why would you use something in your hair that dries your hair out, which salt would do? And if you use anything on this side, you'd be actually better off using a biodegradable dish soap on your hair. So it's really that simple. I mean, if you only have a little bit of money and you want to use it wisely, this product would be better than most of them on the market. And then what I've included over here are other options as far as finding a biodegradable product that is nice to your hair, nice to your skin. You don't need separate soaps for your skin and for your hair. You can use the same thing all throughout. Again, looking at what you get as a bar soap, if you use bar soap, most of them are very drying. They do have the sulfates in them, and there's just no reason to use all these different soaps that desensitize us.